biggest scam of human race. Good morning guys, welcome to another vlog. It is around 10. It's quite late actually. I woke up around 8, but because it was my off, so I was in the bed lazing around watching this Korean series that I'm obsessed with. But now I have to make my breakfast, and also I've decided to get back on my healthy routine. I've been not doing my celery juice or consistent workout from quite few weeks, so I really need to get on that. Ginger. You just need to put a little bit of lemon in it. Also guys, I'm very excited because I'm going on an 8-day trip, so I have to pack for that trip. I also have to buy a few things, so maybe I'll go outside, but yeah, I'm really excited about the trip. It is time to make some breakfast. So usually I'm running in the morning and I have a very little time. So breakfast is avocado egg toast almost on a daily basis with some changes here and there. Because it's my off today and I don't have to run in the morning, so I am having some yummy Indian food. You know, nothing beats Indian food, but it takes a lot of preparation. But we don't have to rush in the morning today. Indian food when you're living abroad hits differently. Like, it feels so nostalgic. It reminds you of your family. It reminds you of your home, and you know, the way your mom used to cook food for you, which you took granted for years and years, but now you really miss. I am so hungry, but also so grateful for this food. I love the smell of methi parathas. I mean, it's the best smell in the world. Hi guys, so it is 1 p.m. right now. The most struggle is to get out of the bed and get ready. Once you're ready, whether it is to go out or whether it is to go gym, you're more likely to go out and do stuff. It's not sunny, it's gloomy, but still it is pleasant. I've been sitting here in the park and editing my video, but now I think I need some matcha. So let's go to the cafe and get some matcha. Hi. Can I have iced matcha and a banana bread, please? God, that was so much of fun. Oh, she came to pick me up. Yeah. So I'm done with my editing and now it's time for some sauna. So we're going to go to the sauna, probably do some swimming, and yeah, just have some relaxing time. There is some movie or TV series shooting happening next to our building, and for the first time I saw those cameras that they use for these kind of things. So I've got some sushi and some egg because I wanted my protein as well, and some edamame also. This is a good source of protein. I remember 5-6 years back, I was in Finland for my project, and I had a lot of sushi then, and after that I just kind of never had sushi because I think that time my palate was completely different and I was not such a big fan of sushi. I actually also went to Japan 5 years back, but I didn't eat sushi at all when I went to Japan. That was so surprising. And also I used to think that sushi is just like avocado and rice, right? What is there to eat in avocado and rice? It would be so boring and so tasteless. Like that was my perception about sushi. So I never tried sushi again. But few days back I went for an office dinner, and that's when I tried sushi and I fell in love with it. And since then I'm having sushi every week. But now I'm going to enjoy my sushi and just watch something because it is holiday. Good morning guys, it is Saturday morning and I am making some yummy breakfast. I have music playing in the background and I'm cooking breakfast with no rush, just enjoying the process. And I am making some healthy breakfast today. So I've got these sprouted moongs from Indian store. So I'm gonna make some sprout moong chula, which I've never done, which I've never made before, but it looked quite interesting. And I'm also prepping for my peanut chutney, so it's gonna be like protein rich breakfast. I've always felt that bookstores and libraries are my kind of space. Growing up, I read a lot because books were my way of exploring the world beyond the one I lived in. They showed me a place where I could be whoever I wanted to be. And honestly, it was those books that pushed me to dream bigger, to work harder, and to build this life that I have today. This year especially I'm proud of myself because I've already completed 12 books and hopefully the momentum will stay. I think the best thing about London is wherever you go, you'll find one local market and the park definitely. So today we're exploring the Greenwich Market and then the Greenwich Park. We've got our food and now we're walking towards the park.
So instead of eating in the market, which was really crowded, we decided to take our food to the park and have a little picnic because the weather was perfect for it. And I was just telling my husband how easy it is to take this for granted, because in so many cities around the world, you hardly get any green space. Just so grateful that there's so much of green space and so many parks around us.
ये salted है.
By this point, we had already walked so much that our step target for the day was done. So we just sat at the top, soaked in the view, watched people, watched dogs, and just enjoyed the moment.
Morning, guys. It is around 8 a.m. right now. Today we have to do a lot of stuff because tomorrow we're flying and we'll be away for 8 days. So I have to pack. I have to cook a lot to use everything that is in the fridge, because otherwise the fruit and veggies might rot and smell. I also have to make sure that the garbage is taken out, the home is clean before we leave. I'm on holiday, but I have a client call to attend because it was urgent, so I have to do that. Then I have to make sure that my video is edited for this week because I won't have laptop with me, so I have to make sure it's edited and it's ready to be uploaded. 6, I have to make sure all my cameras are empty, so all of them are full right now. They don't have any memory space. I have to move stuff here and there. Also, I completely forgot, I also have to plan what I'm going to shoot when I'm traveling. If I have to shoot any sit down videos, if I have to make any shots. I've already made my jeera ajwain water to drink, and now let's make some celery juice because I have a lot of celery and I better use it before I go. Ginger juice in a wine glass, why not? So I finished my drink. I also started reading my new novel which I got yesterday. Now I am making my breakfast. I've also started transferring few things because I thought I need to multitask if I have to finish everything today. This is my breakfast. I have some yummy dosa, very good for your tummy, fermented food. I have some aloo and capsicum ki sabzi and avocado. I believe growing up I used to hate aloo capsicum, and cut to now I'm actually making it for myself and I'm having it first thing in the morning. Adulting is probably the biggest scam of human race, I'll tell you that. Also, it's very surprising that I used to hate avocado when I started eating them a few years ago, but now I just love them. I can't have enough of it. So I've been editing from last 1.5 hours now. I think my video is almost ready. I might need half an hour more just to finish a few things. But it is in good shape. I've also transferred a lot of things from my different cameras to the hard disk. I think only my phone is pending to be cleaned, so I might do it in the evening. But now I have a call with my client in 15 minutes, so I think I'll get ready for that, have that call, and then I will continue with my work. So I have changed. I also made myself some hot coffee, which is which is very strong, but I think this is what I needed right now. Hey.
Yes, yes.
I'm done with my call. I had a call with the client, then I had a quick call with my teammate just to debrief and decide on the next step. Now it's 2 p.m. right now. I need to pack. I need to do a lot of stuff. But first, I'll take a break. I'll have my food, watch something, and then probably get back to the work.
After my break, I started packing because I don't think I could have avoided anymore. And I always like to carry just one cabin bag whenever I'm traveling to Europe because you have to walk so much that you can't carry heavy luggage. And then I was back editing again because I had to finish the video. And then the only thing left was to clean the kitchen and the fridge, which we did together. And yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.